Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best MTB tires is probably one of the most important components of your mountain bike, significantly impacting your ride quality, safety, and overall enjoyment. Choosing the right tires involves considering factors such as terrain, riding style, and personal preferences, and in this video, we will explore the top choices available in the market, helping you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and riding conditions. Number 5. Schwinn 29 by 1.95 MTB Tire. This tire is designed for off-road adventures. It's built to handle tough terrain and give you superior grip. It's compatible with 29 diameter rims, 17 mm to 27 mm wide. Make sure it's the right size for your bike. The enhanced traction knobs provide superior grip on dirt and uneven surfaces. Experience confident control on any trail. Its side knobs provide extra traction on uneven surfaces, so you can tackle any challenge with confidence. Ride smoothly and safely. It features a durable steel bead construction for long-lasting performance. Inflate it to the recommended 35 to 65 psi for optimal results. This tire offers a balance of comfort and durability. Enjoy a smooth ride even on the roughest trails. What we like. It offers enhanced grip on various terrains. Its durable steel bead ensures long-lasting performance. If you ride a 29 bike and need reliable traction, this tire is perfect for you. What people say. It looks like it is working and lasting well. The tire tread is fantastic. For commuting around town, because sometimes you need to go into different terrains, such as dirt, street or sand, and I found these to be much better, and since I've changed them, I've been using them for about 3 months and I haven't had a single flat since. Pretty easy to mount with the proper tools and have good grip and seem like they hold up as expected. Number 4. Maxxis Minion DHF Tire. It's the most copied tire in mountain biking for a reason. Its tread design perfectly blends speed with incredible grip, whether you're braking or cornering. Experience superior control on any terrain. This tire excels in various conditions, providing confidence-inspiring performance. It uses 2 different rubber compounds. This smart design gives you low rolling resistance and maximum grip at the same time. It's perfect for e-bikes. This tire is rated E25, meaning it's suitable for light e-bikes with assistance up to 16.1 miles per hour. Your purchase is protected. It comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, giving you peace of mind. Find the perfect fit for your bike. It is available in 20, 24, 26, 27.5, and 29-inch sizes. What we like. This tire provides a balance of speed and grip. It's also suitable for e-bikes. If you prioritize balanced performance and e-bike compatibility, then this is for you. What people say. Fit perfectly and have excellent traction. Installation was easy. Dual compound is great for middle-of-the-road tread softness. Not too hard to be super focused on rolling resistance, but not too soft to be a detriment to keeping speed. The single-ply EXO DHF is an amazing trail tire. If you're looking for something on the aggressive side of trail for a front, this tire has gobs and gobs of grip and really doesn't roll any worse than my High Roller 2.3. Number 3. Schwinn Replacement Bike Tire. This tire is built to last. Its durable steel bead construction and puncture guard offer superior protection against flats and wear and tear. Experience enhanced control and stability. The wide, blocky knobs provide excellent grip on loose or rocky surfaces. It's designed for 26-inch wheels with internal rim widths between 19 mm and 29 mm. It ensures a secure and reliable fit. Changing it is a breeze. The step-by-step instructions make replacing a flat tire simple and straightforward. Maintain optimal performance. Inflate it to the recommended pressure of 40 to 65 psi for a comfortable and safe ride. With its superior traction, puncture resistance, and easy installation, it's your reliable companion for any off-road adventure. What we like. It provides superior protection against punctures. The wide knobs enhance traction on loose surfaces. If you need puncture resistance and ride a 26 bike, this is a great option. What people say. Tire was delivered without any issues and was a quick delivery. It fit perfect, was easy to put on, and that's always a good thing. Tire rides nice in both dry and wet weather. Very smooth ride on pavement and awesome on the trails. These tires are very thick, heavy duty, with very thick knobbies. They are, by far, the best tires I have seen in over 30 years. Very high quality. This is actually an Innova tire. All of my kids' Norco bikes have come with these tires and work great for mostly riding around the neighborhood and occasional path or grass adventures. They roll relatively well with the continuous center tread but still grip on looser terrain because of the side knobbies. Number 2. Maxxis Aggressor MTB Tire. Experience the thrill of conquering challenging terrains with the Maxxis Aggressor. It's designed for speed and control on hard-packed trails, making every ride an adventure. This tire features 2 distinct rubber compounds. This provides optimal grip without sacrificing rolling efficiency. Enjoy the best of both worlds. The EXO sidewall protection adds an extra layer of defense against cuts and abrasions. It's built to withstand the rigors of various riding conditions. It's suitable for e-bikes with assistance up to 16.1 miles per hour. Enjoy the power assist without compromising tire performance. It's ideal as a rear tire, complementing front tires like the Minion DHF or Assegai. Experience superior handling and control. Backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, it's a tire you can depend on. Ride with confidence, knowing you have a reliable partner on the trail. What we like. It offers a balance between rolling resistance and grip. The EXO sidewall protection adds durability. If you value speed and durability, especially for rear-wheel use, this tire is ideal. What people say. The Aggressor is an excellent city tire that's very tough and very grippy with a surprisingly low rolling resistance level. Great rear tire for general-purpose trail riding. Efficient. Planted. Great climber. On the rear, this tire rules all. Grips for days, standing up, sitting, multiple kinds of rock, through last fall's leftover leaves, wet sand and damp ground, as well as loose over hardpack and loose over bare rock. Braking vertical or leaned is superb. Number 1. 26 MTB Tire Repair Kit. Tired of flat tires? This kit provides premium replacement parts, a significant upgrade from your original bike tires. Enjoy a smoother, more confident ride. Its deep tread design gives you excellent stability and control on various terrains. Conquer gravel, trails, dirt, and more with confidence. We've included everything you need for easy installation. Durable tire levers and, optionally, premium tubes are provided for a seamless upgrade. With over 20 years in the bicycle and fitness industry, we're committed to quality and customer satisfaction. We're here to help if you have any questions or issues. Select the kit that best suits your needs, 1 or 2 packs, with or without tubes. Get back on the trail quickly and easily. What we like. This kit includes everything for tire repair or replacement. It's an upgrade from standard tires. If you need a complete solution for tire maintenance and want to upgrade your bike, this is the best choice. What people say. Perfect replacement kit for old dry rotted tires. Rim tape is an elastic band that is easy to install and works as it should. Tubes appear to be good quality, as expected. Tires are great, with a nice tread on them. Seems like they will hold up nicely and easy to install. Excellent kit with tires, tubes, rim liners and tire spoons to help remove old tires. Right size, easy to install and get 2 new tires on a bike that had old/worn/torn tires. Great for regular use bikes, not anything specialized for off-road or lightweight, but perfect for everyone else. These items fit my bike very well and the installation was easy with the tools provided. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.